Hello, grade 5. Our topic today is add decimals. To add decimals, we should follow some steps. Step number 1, line up the decimal points. Step number 2, add the hundredths, regroup if you need. Step number 3, add the tenths, regroup if you need. Add the whole numbers. Finally, write the decimal point in the sum. In this example, I have a triangle and I want to find the perimeter of the triangle. Units are in centimeters, so all of these sides, their units in centimeter. At the beginning, we need to understand what is the perimeter. The perimeter is the distance around the figure. The distance around the figure. And we know to find the perimeter, we will add up all of the sides. Add up all of the sides, find the sum. The sum, it will be the perimeter of the triangle. So, we know now how do we find the perimeter? We keep the decimal point aligned in the problem. That means I will line up the decimal points. Then I can add digits with the same place value. I'll start digit by digit, column by column, and add the numbers. I'll start from this digits, this place value, all of these numbers in the tenths. So I'll add 3 plus 5 equals 8. 8 plus 6 equals 14. Carry 1. 1 plus 4 equals 5. 5 plus 2 equals 7. 7 plus 7 equals 14. Carry 1 again. 1 plus 1 equals 2. So the answer is 24.4. Because we line up the decimals, I can mark off the decimals at the sum. I'll put the decimal at the sum, and the answer will be 24.4 centimeter. So the perimeter of this triangle equals 24.4 centimeter. So step number 1, I will line up the decimal. Step number 2, I will add digits with the same place value. Then add digits column by column. Just we would add the whole number. By the same way we add the whole numbers, we can add the decimal numbers. And the last step, mark off the decimal point in the sum. I want to add 6.2 plus 3 plus 4.25. To add digits with the same place value, we align decimal points. So step number 1, we will line up the decimal points. In this problem, the whole number 3 has the same place value as 6 and 4. So we place a decimal point to the right of the 3 and align decimal points. We place a decimal point to the right of the 3 and align the decimal points. I'll put a decimal point here or place a decimal point to the right of 3, then align the decimal points below each other. Then we may fill the empty decimal places with zeros. I have 2 decimal places here. I can put zeros as a placeholders. And here also I can add 0 as a placeholder. Now I can add the digits column by column because I'm line up the decimal at the beginning, then find the sum. So I'll add 0 plus 0 plus 5 equals 5. 2 plus 0 equals 2. 2 plus 2 equals 4. Now I will add 6 plus 3 equals 9. 9 plus 4 equals 13. So the estimate will be 13.45. I have a problem solving from your textbook, page 277, question 44. Let's look at the problem solving. Aldo ran 9.8 miles. Greg ran 13.7 miles. And Victor ran 12.5 miles. What was the total distance for the three? To answer this question, to find the total distance of the 3 boys, we need to add up the distance. I'll add up 9.8 plus 13.7 plus 12.5 and find the sum. Step number 1, I will line up the decimal. So I will write the numbers 9.8, 13.7, 12.5, line up the decimal below each other, then add column by column. 8 plus 7 equals 15, 15 plus 5 equals 20. I'll carry 2 or regroup 2. 2 plus 9 equals 11, 11 plus 3 equals 14, 14 plus 2 equals 16. Carry 1. 1 plus 1 equals 2. 2 plus 1 equals 3. So the answer it will be 36.0. That's mean 36. So if I write the answer, I can write 9.8 plus 13.7 plus 12.5 equals 36 miles. So to add the decimals number, we will line up the decimal points, add column by column, add the digit with the same place value, find the sum, then place the decimal points in the sum, or write the decimal point in the sum. I hope you enjoyed today. Thank you, grade 5.